Hey, welcome to Don't Burn Dinner. Today, my kids want pizza and school's been canceled. The weather is absolutely frigid. It's freezing. So it occurred to me that my little bread maker makes pizza dough. This isn't a promo. I didn't get this for free or anything. I just happen to really love this bread maker, and I was reading through the manual and it clicked, and I don't want to order a pizza and have some young kid have to drive and deliver in this. So I figured I'm just gonna try out pizza dough today and see how it works. So wish me luck. It's just a few simple ingredients. You just put it right inside this little basket, and we should have pizza dough in about 45 minutes, and I think it takes about 20 minutes to cook. So bear with me, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes, and let's make some Snowden pizza. Okay, time is of essence because the natives are getting restless in the other room. But all you do now, you don't mix it or anything. Now you carry your little basket over to your bread maker. Remove my print. We make these, this is our company as well, printedframe.com. But then we just are going to pop this right inside of our bread maker. In 45 minutes, our dough will be ready. I'm going to preheat my oven in about 35 minutes, so at 425. Then that way it's ready. We can just pop it right into the oven after we've made it. So yeah, we'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Hopefully this is better than delivery. So 20 minutes for 425. How cool is that? So in about an hour, I have pizza, homemade pizza that was made out of my bread maker. I didn't even have to knead any dough. I didn't have to mix anything. So easy. So let's just give it a taste, see how we like it. That's amazing. This is really, really good pizza. It's crispy on the bottom, fluffy, warm on the inside. The cheese is gooey. I know they like the sauce because it's their favorite pizza sauce, so I think this is a home run. You guys, how easy is that compared to having to call, get delivery, it took just a little bit longer than delivery would have, I feel like. How fulfilling is it to know that you can just pull something out of your pantry, clean, minimal ingredients, and make your kids a little homemade something that smells so good, baking in the oven. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. I think we nailed it out of the park again this time, and we will see you next week on Don't Burn Dinner. Thank you.